Hello students, we have already seen three properties about ratio of areas of two triangles. First property is the ratio of areas of two triangles is the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Second property, if the heights are equal, then the ratio of areas of two triangles is the ratio of their corresponding bases. And third property, if the bases are equal, then the ratio of areas of two triangles is the ratio of their corresponding heights. These are the three properties. Now, including this, I want to take another property. This is fourth property. Suppose B1 is equal to B2 and H1 is equal to H2. Here, bases and heights are equal. Then what is the ratio of areas? See that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Now here what coming? B1 into H1, B2 into H2. Here both B1, B2 equal, H1, H2 equal. So what we will get here? 1 upon 1. That B1, B1 cancelled and H1, H2 also cancelled because both are equal. Now what we will get here? A1 upon A2 is equal to 1 upon 1. That is, will get here A1 is equal to A2. That means area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR. This is the third property. If bases and heights of both triangles are equal, then we will get areas are equal. What? If the bases and corresponding heights of two triangles are equal, then their areas are equal. Okay? Now we will take here some examples of this property. See that. Here, see that what is given in this example here, AD is parallel to BC. That means this AD and BC are parallel. These two lines are parallel. AD is parallel to BC and AP is perpendicular to line BC. That means AP is the height of these two triangles. Which two triangles given here? See that triangle ABC and triangle, which triangle? Triangle, we can take that this triangle. Which triangle? BDC. In this triangle, see that AP is the height of this two triangle. Why? Because these two lines are parallel and these two triangles are including these two areas, two ratios, two lines. See that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC. ABC, DBC. These two triangles including in these two parallel lines. So their heights are equal. AP is the height of these both triangles ABC and DBC. So here, that means what here? Here height is equal. What about base? ABC. What is base? BC. DBC. What is base? BC. That means here base is also equal. Base equal, heights equal. So what is the area? Area is same. See that here. BC into AP. See that? Area of this triangle is equal to what? The product of their bases and heights. So what is base? BC. Height AP. Again take triangle DBC. DBC. What is base? BC. Height AP. So both cancel. What we will get here? Triangle, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to what coming? 1 upon 1. Therefore, doing cross multiplication, we will get here area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. That means fourth property we have used here. If the bases and corresponding heights of two triangles are equal, then their areas are equal. Okay. Now second one example we will take here. From exercise 1.1, practice set 1.1, I have taken here fourth one example that we have solved now. Now, first one example I will take here. See that. See this. Now, ABC, this is the first triangle, and BAD, this is the second triangle. Now, consider what are the bases and what are the heights first. Think about this. See that ABC, AB is the base because BC is perpendicular to AD. What is given here? BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. That means BC is the height of this triangle and AD is the height of this triangle ABD. Now, see that one another information given here. What is BC given here? 4 and AD given here 8. Now we want to find out area of triangle ABC, ratio of two triangles. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB, or we can take. Now we want to use properties. Area of triangle ABC, what is the solution? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABC ADB. See that ABC. We observed here what? Bases are equal. So what is coming? The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal base is the ratio of their corresponding heights. We can write only property. We can take that directly BC upon AD. We want to write here triangles having equal base. Okay. BC 4, AD 8. So 4 ones are 4 twos are. We will get the ratio 1 upon 2. So what is the ratio? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is 1 upon 2. This is the answer of the question. Here we want what is given figure given. We want to observe that first. If bases are equal, we want to take the ratio of their heights. If heights are equal, what is the ratio of their triangles? We will get ratio of their bases. Base equal, ratio of heights. Heights equal, ratio of bases. Both equal, areas are equal. Okay. From 1.1 practice set, we have taken here 2 examples. Now remaining examples you want to solve. First, you want to write the properties from your textbook. Given their figures and properties also. So you want to write the properties and you want to write also examples. Some activity based examples are there also. You want to write only what are the bases, what are the heights. So complete that activity also. If you have any doubts in these examples, you can call me.